watch together today's story, Julie at the Grocery.
Julie wakes up early on Saturday morning, knowing it's grocery day with Mom. Arriving at the store, Julie grabs a mini cart, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She helps her mom find the vegetables, pointing out the bright red tomatoes and crisp lettuce. Julie and her mom check the shopping list so they won't forget anything. Julie reminds her mom about the apples they need for baking. They carefully select the freshest apples, chatting about what they'll make together. Julie asks the assistant when she needs any help. Julie enjoys going to the grocery store with her mother a lot and looks forward to the next Saturday because Saturday is grocery day.